This past February, I had a really interesting encounter with a Japanese geisha that really helped me form a sort of ethical parameter or guideline for my travel photography. I'd like to share that with you right now. Okay, so here's the dilemma that I have encountered, and it's happened many times in the past, where I have a situation where I absolutely love the photo. For example, on the left we have a Maiko geisha, I believe, and on the right we have a poster of a geisha, and this is in Kyoto, Japan. But the big problem is I don't want to use this photo or even publish it because it just so happened that my one shot didn't portray the geisha in an appropriate light. It looks like she's nervous about something. But in reality, she's not at all. She was just walking down the street. But because of the split-second shot from my camera, it actually makes her, it sort of imposes an emotion on her that is not necessarily true. So that's where yesterday's video comes in as well, is that I'm always wrestling with street photography and travel photography with not imposing an emotion on someone that doesn't exist. So in that case, what I have to do, and it's a shame really because I just love the shot, the interplay between the poster and the actual Maiko geisha, is that I'm going to have to do what's second best. So I'm going to do some cropping. Now the problem here is that if I don't want to show the woman's face because I feel that it's not an accurate representation of her, then I'm going to have to choose where do I want to crop and will it even be an interesting photo, okay? So I love the fact that the poster geisha is there. That's going to really help. But where do I crop with regards to the actual Maiko geisha, the apprentice geisha? Now, what we have here is definitely a second best. It's not an image that I would feel is perfect, but with regards to the very strong convictions I have of not presenting people in a light that would sort of ridicule them or be an untrue representation of their current emotional state, I feel that this might be acceptable. And again, the cropping could be much better. But what we do have, at the very least, is the actual geisha on the left. It's almost as if the poster geisha is representing or interacting with the actual geisha on the left. So which is the primary subject? Is it the poster or the woman? Very debatable. And do these two elements work well together? So this is, again, what I feel is a second best solution. So if you ever feel that you got a really great shot, but you are concerned about showing the person's face in either travel photography or street photography, try some selective cropping. Now, I would love to hear your comments on this. And as well, is it totally acceptable or totally bad form to crop someone's head off? Well, it's probably not very good form. Maybe there is some artistic license. If so, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think? Anyway, let me know what you think, both of the ethical side of sort of rescuing a picture to sort of protect someone's identity, or should I have just left it alone and posted it anyway? Okay, I hope that helps, and I'd love to hear your comments. See you in the next video.